Welcome to Swickard Anchorage, where Alaskan adventure meets automotive excellence. With over 400 vehicles available, we offer something for every driver. From rugged trucks and capable SUVs to efficient sedans and luxury models, every vehicle is backed by our commitment to quality and performance. Conveniently located at 1300 East 5th Avenue, we're just minutes from downtown Anchorage and easily accessible from anywhere in the region. Our state-of-the-art service center is fully equipped to maintain and repair all makes and models, including hybrid and electric vehicles. Whether you need an oil change, tire rotation, or a comprehensive inspection, our certified technicians are here to keep you moving forward. Enjoy the convenience of complimentary loaner vehicles with your service appointment, or relax in our modern guest lounge featuring Wi-Fi, refreshments, and a first-class customer experience. As advocates for animal welfare, we're proud to be pet-friendly and always welcome leashed pets. Shop with confidence thanks to our Swickard Price Promise and Service Match Guarantee, ensuring you receive our most competitive offers. Experience the difference. Experience something new at Swickard Anchorage.